All right, for this assignment, you need to sign and upload the responsible use policy for district computers and network systems. So download one of the attachments, English or Spanish, doesn't matter to me. You're going to download it, and always put things in your downloads folder so it's easy to find. And I already have it from before, so you download it there, and then go ahead and open your downloads folder right here, and there it is. Then you go ahead and open that up, and you're going to read through this, and then you need to initial, check, and sign the bottom. And so Adobe has this right here, this feature called Sign Documents by Typing or Drawing a Signature. So you click that button, right? And then you can, on these 9, right, read that thing, and then you'll initial it. So you just put your initials. Mine are AF, right? AF. And then read these things, and then check the boxes once you've read them, right? I read that, yeah, okay, I read that, yeah, okay, yeah, I read that, yeah, okay, right? Do the whole thing, right? Read all of them, initial, check the boxes, and then at the bottom here, there's a place for you to write in the date, the school, your name, your signature, your parent's name, your parent's signature, my name, and for room number, you can just leave that blank. Okay? And once you're done, you do need to save it. So you click Save, and just save it in the same place, right? And it'll ask you if you want to replace it. Sure. Okay? And so now it's saved, and so now you can go and you can submit it here. And I can't show you because I'm not a student. I don't have the submission button, but I can link another video that shows you how to submit assignments on Schoology. Okay? If you have any questions, just send me a message and I'll get back to you as quick as I can and help you out. All right? Take care then. Bye-bye now.